Hi, my name's Daniela. So the VP for Educational Welfare just asked me to give you some advice on housing and talk about my past experiences and stuff. So because I'm a postgrad student, I've lived in a variety of houses in Bangor. Some good, some bad, some were relatively okay. So the first house I moved into was when I was going into my second year of uni. We didn't really take time to kind of think about what it is that we were looking for in a house and stuff like that, because there were 6 of us, and every house we went to, there were people there that was already signing the contracts and stuff like that, so we were sort of really eager and keen to get a house. So we just settled for this house on top of Glanravon Hill. It was okay, because we were in a rush to sign. We didn't kind of consider the flaws in the house. They were really glossed over just because of the fact that it had 6 bedrooms. So with the issues that we had with the house were damp, central heating didn't work at all, and in Bangor it gets quite chilly in the winter. So yeah, we had like icicles on the inside of our windows. A lot of my clothes went mouldy. It was quite ironic really, the fact that I left donuts in my room over Christmas and it was my shoes that went mouldy rather than the donuts. So yeah, when you are looking for a house, kind of take all these things into consideration and actually look for the flaws in the property, like whether water works, whether the boiler works. You know, ask tenants loads and loads of questions just so that you get a real feel for what it is like living there. The landlord that owned our house was very local, and he was so easy to get into contact with. The main problem we had with this landlord is the fact that it wasn't easy to get him to fix stuff. So like, I had a massive crack in my bedroom window, and when it rains, as it does a lot in North Wales, everything was getting damp and wet, so it didn't really help our issues with the mould in the house. One thing that I would suggest for you guys is, when you are looking to move into a house, is to also consider who you are living with, because that's a main problem. Like, you rush to sign a contract or just to find a room or something like that, and then 3 months, 6 months down the line you might find that it's quite awkward living with people. I mean, you're in really close proximity, you're all stressed with exam stuff and assignments and deadlines and things like that. So really do consider who it is that you're living with, because you know, arguments can start over anything when you're stressed with uni work, like whose turn it is to kind of take the bins out, whose dirty dishes are left on the side and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you're living with people that you know and that you trust as well. Yeah, so that's my living experiences in Bangor. Yeah, good luck finding your new houses, and remember to take your time to sign.